lucky that no one from the Tenryo Commission was around.
Sorry, I guess I was a little rash, but when I heard you come back,
Don't worry, Sakajiro. So, we're going to look for firework materials shortly. While we're out, we'll sort out the boat situation for you, as promised.
Thank you for all your help.
He's one of our old customers. He came back to Inazuma from the outside world not long ago. While he was smuggling himself in, the Tenryo Commission found him and put out a warrant for his arrest. An arrest warrant? Shh! Keep it down! We don't want to draw any unwanted attention. If Sakajiro was caught, there's no knowing what crimes they could charge him with. All we can do is... Yeah, we know... What if the boat capsizes? If things are this bad...
Well, there's something I felt, but as soon as I got back, I started hearing about... I didn't want to cause any trouble for Yoimiya or Miss...
Hey, no worries. You're more than welcome. Remember... Little piece of paper? Yep, the same paper slips as the one I gave to the kids earlier. Only people from inside my family can understand what's written. If someone shows a Naganohara that paper slip, we guarantee we can make the exact same firework as the original one they purchased, whether it's 10 or even 100 years later. It's a family tradition.
The slip I have is from back when my parents ordered fireworks from Mr. Ryunosuke.
It'll be fine. Escaping in a boat is just a last resort for whatever their reasons might be. If our
Thank you.
All right. Well, let's not stay out here.
All right, I'll leave...
It's a shame. Speaking of, you guys only got here recently. Even then, we only got through thanks to some... I see. So you had big shots helping. I just wish I bet nowhere else you've been is quite like... Well, no matter... I'm sorry. I invited you to come watch... You don't have to join me if you don't want to. I can go sort out... Oh, cool! Then let's start with Sakura. Oh yeah! If it's fine with you, can I ask how you two first met? He saved me from...